Shijiazhuang Saitor Machinery Manufacture Company Limited, formerly Shijiazhuang Sire Machinery, located in Shijiazhuang City, China. We have many years' experience in the field of machinery. We have our own factory and export department. We are engaged in supplying machines for metal products and industrial automatic equipment, a high-tech enterprise of Hebei Province. We specialized in the design, development, manufacturing, installation and commissioning of wire drawing and related equipment. Our powerful professional researching team has imported, digested and absorbed the most advanced technology of equipment over the world. Our company mainly specialized in developing and manufacturing the complete set of welding wire, galvanized wire, welding electrode production line, wire drawing machine for making nail, barbed wire, ribbed wire, wire mesh, including straight line wire drawing machine, water tank wire drawing machine, pulley wire drawing machine, spooler take-up machine, payoff machine, and so on. Most of the machines are automatic, high-speed, and effective. We accept custom-made machines. The professional technical team can design the production line plan, plant layout, cable layout, and production cost and profit control according to customer needs, provide workers production training, and promise long-term and timely after-sales service. For the overseas market, we exported our machines to America, Mexico, Brazil, Sudan, South Africa, Korea, India, Iran, Russia, Sri Lanka, Oman, Romania, Algeria, Uzbekistan, Morocco, and other countries all over the world. Because of the excellent quality and good after-sales service, we have won unanimous praise from customers.